Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Dogecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, if you're new to charts and technical analysis, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. And I like to do this time frame because remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is going to be to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And by using the 4-hour time frame, it's going to allow me to do that because I can talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. And so far, so good. The level that I talked about back on Friday did hold strong right there, being 30 cents on what there was that period where the price dropped below it. But to give credit where credit's due, that didn't last very long, and the bulls, quickly fought back above it. But that brings us back to the first question that you're going to need to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Where is the price at relative to 30 cents when you were watching this video? As long as you're saying that the price is still above 30 cents, then that means that the overall bounce right now, the overall consolidation is still healthy. It's still essentially chipping away and building higher bases. Another way you could approach this if you want, that totally a matter of personal preference. If you want to get a trend line into play, you could also do that. But the point here being is we just want to make sure that the price doesn't all of a sudden collapse to new lows, because that would imply, that this current, price action that we're watching just turned out to be a dead cat bounce where the price got all the way down here, behaved like it wanted to be strong, and then all of a sudden it has completely rolled back over. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why actually, let me change that to green. And we'll leave that up here just to see how it continues to play out. But the first question, that you're going to want to ask yourself is the price above 30 cents? Is it above that trend line? Depending on how you want to go about it. And as long as you're saying that, and answering that question that, yeah, Clay, the price is still above that level, well, that's a good, solid, bullish situation. And if you're saying that the price is above those levels, well, then the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 40 cents? If you're saying that the price is now up above 40 cents, well, that would imply that this bounce has not only, kept on bouncing, but it's now broken up above these moving averages there, that purple line being, the 50-period moving average, which is a good bullish sign. Now, I'd be, shocked if you were saying that the price is, actually, I wouldn't be shocked. It is crypto, so you never know, I suppose. But as of now, it seems to be just more of a slow and steady bounce, which I don't say that in a bearish way, just in a sense of, this thing doesn't seem to be too explosive, but that could change at any moment. But overall, those are going to be the main levels to watch moving forward. In my mind, the most important question, the most important dynamic is, can the price at least stay above these areas of support? Because as long as it does, then it does make a valid sense for you to say, I think this is the bottom. I think, this one is getting, more and more buyers that are getting ready to potentially, prep the price back upwards. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward, but those are going to be the levels that I'd keep an eye on. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.